2014 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, power mirrors, emergency braking assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear mudguards, door reinforcement, front independent suspension, 4-wheel ABS. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, power outlets, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, USB connection, rear side airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, side curtain airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.